Microseries is a specifically formulated range of environmentally responsible cleaning products developed in a system to minimize cost and plastic waste. For your safety, ensure the appropriate PPE is worn. Microaid Glass Cleaner is designed for spot cleaning of glass, mirrors, and stainless steel surfaces. Microaid General Multi-Surface Cleaner is designed for general area cleaning of all hard surfaces. Microaid Amenities Cleaner is designed for whole bathroom area cleaning. Microaid Micro-Lawned Laundry Detergent cleans, sanitizes, and prolongs the effective life of your microfibre. Filling your bottle or bucket with water first will minimize foaming. Place your fingers in the areas shown on the nozzle for easy dispensing. To replace Microaid Pouch, grip the pouch around the hard plastic rim and push the nozzle on. Place the pouch onto the plate hook using the hole provided at the top of the pouch. Ensure the nozzle is flush to the pouch and do not pull down on the nozzle.